Today we're going to take a look at a quick fix and maybe even an upgrade that you can do to your lead sled or rifle rest. So stick around.
I'm Tony Simon from the 2A4E podcast.
Hi, I'm Bella Farias. I'm an NRA Youth Shooting Sports Ambassador.
Roll Call 219 here, and you're watching CloverTac.
And you're watching CloverTac.
And you're watching CloverTac.
What's up, crew? Welcome back to the channel. I got my lead sled out here today. We're going to talk about how we can fix or repair a certain part of this sled and maybe even improve it a little bit and do that on the cheap. Before we do that though, would like to invite you to hit that subscribe button below no matter where you're watching, and if you're over on the YouTube side, click that notification bell as well. Now what I have here is a Caldwell lead sled. I believe they call it the Solo model. And one of the problems that I ran into, this thing is well used, well loved, and quite a few years old. But a problem I run into is the strap that would normally mount through these little pieces on the front. It didn't take too terribly long, and I say that it did take a couple of years and a lot of use, that I started having problems with that. So I was looking for a solution, and I found a rather easy and quick and cheap solution. So if you take a look in the sewing or the textile section of your Walmart, your Hobby Lobby, maybe even on Amazon, you're going to run across these VELCRO, elastic VELCRO straps. They've got a little buckle on one end, kind of looks like a little mini belt of some sort. Now these come two to a package, and I think I paid around $5 for these. They work great to fix this repair. I'm going to show you how that works. They also work great as maybe a little bit of an upgrade to your rest as well. Now this is easy enough. Basically all you're going to do is take this little VELCRO strap, wrap it around where the original strap used to be, hook into your little loop piece there, and then secure your rifle down like you normally would, as loose or tight as you need it to be. So here's where the bonus or the upgrade comes into play. Don't know about your rest, your sled, but mine did not come with anything to secure the butt of the firearm. Since there was two of these straps in that package, why not use the second one to do just that? And it's easy enough. Just wrap it around the butt of your firearm there, tighten up to your desired tension, and there you go, snug as a bug in a rug. So there you go, crew. Hopefully you found this helpful. Remember, you can pick these up online or in pretty much any store. Just check out the sewing section. Like I said, they're come in a package of two, somewhere around $5 or so. That's all for this video. Till next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.